3, 2, 1.
Hello friends, today we will learn how to make a delicious chocolate truffles. It's perfect for Christmas. My partner Diego is going to say the ingredients.
The ingredients we use need 12 mantecadas mimo, 1 bottle bar, 200 grams of chocolate sprinkles, 1 cup of glass sugar, 2 spoons of cacao powder, 2 spoons of vanilla, 100 grams of nuts, and 1 bucket of capacity. The step 1. Wash and disinfect perfectly hands. In this case, we use gloves.
Step 2. Place in a bowl mantecadas, smash them with the hands to the crumb them. Step 3. After the stick of butter is added, mix thoroughly into a paste. Step 4. Add the sugar. Vanilla, cocoa, walnuts, and mix for about 4 or 5 minutes. Make a paste. Take a small portion with your hands and make a small ball. In a bowl or plate, sprinkled chocolate, roll the roll in chocolate chips to cover one of the chocolate chips. Is optional the paper clips truffle ink. My friend Daniel is going to talk about different options, decorations for our truffles.
Well, if you like, you can change the chocolate chips for one with colors, like this. And then you put the truffle in the plate, and around the plate we will use a jelly to decorate the plate. In this case we will use a fruit jelly, but you can use other forms from jelly, like a tree, a star.
Well, that's all for today. Thank you very much and hope that you like